I was born and bred in Nigeria, and I'm the first person in my family to go to a university and to get a degree. I won the African Scholarship Program of American universities to study at UCLA. But then I got this offer from Richard Bellman to pursue my doctorate at USC under his supervision. I said, I don't believe.
He's the first Black PhD in IE and OR in the world.
He was a trailblazer. He really set the path for many of us to follow. He broke barriers. He tore down stereotypes.
There's something that comes along with that. There's a heavy burden that comes along with being the first.
Industrial and systems engineering as a discipline has evolved over the years. People like Austin have built the Epstein Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering here at USM.
He used fuzzy logic in many different ways, analyzing human errors in the healthcare system that caused patients to get sicker during their hospital visits.
California has quite a few issues with water resources.
We were trying to decide how much water should each reservoir in the state release.
Power systems, power stabilization systems, power distribution in developing countries.
The NASA Safety Advisory Board.
After the Columbia crash, he was one of the few scientists that were engaged in working on the safety of that program.
In robotic control, retrieval of a tethered satellite back into the space shuttle. You're taking a machine and letting it learn through trial and error.
All the things that people are doing now with AI, that was essentially what he was doing.
The explosion in reinforcement learning research now would be areas like ChatGPT and some of the other artificial intelligence.
This kind of innovative thinking was just brilliant and impactful.
He was on the highest level of advisement for the president of Nigeria.
The president of Nigeria awarded him the Nigerian National Order of Merit.
His work in these fields was really never about him getting the accolades. He was really driven by a deep desire to serve humanity.
Dr. Esogbue was one of the first Black tenured faculty here at Georgia Tech. He used that as a platform to help ensure that there was a minority office on campus. He was the first faculty sponsor for the National Society of Black Engineers.
He's mentored and shaped the careers of generations, literally.
Reggie DeRoche is the current president of Rice. Raheem Bey, who was the current dean at Georgia Tech. Sam Graham, who was the current dean at Maryland. Chancellor May at UC Davis. Ayanna Howard, who is now the dean at Ohio State. One man was the one who started this wave, and he has changed the lives of countless people.
He's funded, established endowments and fellowships and scholarships.
He is the epitome of someone who is giving back.
If my students excel, I excel.